Hello, welcome. My name is Cynthia Aguilar. I am the International Statistician for Natura Bissé, and I am very excited to be here today to share with you our newest launches from our beloved Vitamin C collection. We are proud to mention that we have been awarded as the world's best spa brand for 4 years in a row. We want to bring professional results into your home, so join me as I walk you through this antioxidant vitamin C routine. Let's begin our antioxidant routine by cleansing and removing makeup. I would like to highlight the benefits of our C+C vitamin collection first, which are revitalizing, antioxidant, firming, and it is ideal as a preventative for signs of aging. Let's start with our one-step C+C micellar cleansing water, which is going to remove all traces of makeup. This refreshing, rinse-free cleanser awakens your senses with a delicious citrus scent and reveals a perfectly hydrated complexion and removes impurities. You are going to apply some of the micellar water into a cotton pad, and you are going to start removing makeup from your eyes with gentle circular movements. Do not be aggressive on the skin on your eye contour. Make sure to be gentle with your skin. Remove completely makeup from your eyes, lips, face, neck, and décolleté. The next step is the application of serum. We are going to apply one of our new launches, the C+C Vitamin Antiox Solution, a firming serum with vitamin C. This formula incorporates 20% of antioxidants that are going to provide firming, brightening, and antioxidant benefits, as well as deep hydration to the skin. Its waterless formula allows the preservation of vitamin C and ensures the absorption of active ingredients into the skin. You only need to take the dropper and apply the product on your fingertips. Warm it up a little and apply on the face, neck, and décolleté until completely absorbed. You will fall in love with its texture. Let's continue with the next step, which is the application of our second launch, the C+C Vitamin Oil-Free Gel. This gel has a refreshing, lightweight texture with fast absorption, and it also provides a matte finish, firming, and moisturizing benefits. I have to mention that it has a lovely citrus scent that you are going to fall in love with. The texture of this product is ideal for normal, combination, or oily skin. The result: firmed, moisturized, and radiant skin. The only thing you need to do is grab a small portion of the product with a spatula onto your fingertips. Warm it up a little and apply it onto the face, neck, and décolleté until completely absorbed. Let's continue with our indulgent C+C Vitamin Soufflé Mask. This mask is an intensely moisturizing vitamin cocktail that helps to reduce the appearance of signs of aging, such as dull skin or dryness. It is ideal for those moments when your complexion looks tired and devitalized, leaving your skin supple, luminous, and firmer looking. Just apply a small amount on your fingertips and apply an even layer on face, neck, and décolleté. Leave on for 15 minutes and remove with warm water. This mask incorporates a captivating Mediterranean tangerine scent that you will absolutely love. Let's finish our routine refreshing the skin with our C+C Vitamin Splash, a citric revitalizing spray. This spray is a concentrated energizer, an exquisite mist packed with vitamins that instantly awaken your senses. Citrus and a blend of Mediterranean fragrances to induce a powerful aromatherapy effect. Just imagine a sweet summer breeze that re-energizes you. Just spray all over the face and enjoy this sensorial experience. We hope this routine brought you a sense of brightness to your day and radiance to your skin. Thank you.